So old John, it's not just a hanger green. We still try to use it every year. This year we're mowing down the pastures. We quit the farm several years ago, but we still try to maintain the pastures. We want to make sure that we're not getting a lot of brush and trees and other stuff growing up. It took a lot of work to create those pastures originally, so we don't want to lose them. So we keep mowing them, and we do this a couple times a year, spring and fall. This is the fall mowing. Now John has been a star of many of its own videos over on the other channel, 6 Round Studio. If you're interested in seeing any of those, head on over to that channel, 6 Round Studio. Click on to any one of the videos that John shows up in the thumbnails. Since we've moved all the automotive content over here to Rust to Resurrection, John's going to start showing up a little bit more over here as well, especially come next summer. We've still got some more work we want to do. I've been trying to do a rolling restoration here, fixing things up, getting a paint job done on it, getting some new tires on it. So if John is something that you're interested in seeing more of, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, ring that bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.